Okay, let's learn to use Kidblog. Open Chrome and then go to kidblog.org, and when you get here we want to sign up for free. Click on Teachers. From here we're going to sign up using Google, but to do that, let's go ahead and open a new tab and go to google.com and sign in here. Okay, make sure no one else is signed in. You can tell because here you need to see +U, and then you'll see a sign in button. Other than that, you'll have to sign out whoever left their Google account open. If you need help with that, just let us know. I'm going to use a personal Gmail account, which is what I would like for you to do as well. Okay, now that I am signed in, go back to I'm going to go back to Kidblog, and now I can sign up with Google. It's going to link everything together, and you should get this screen. It's going to pull everything from Google, and just press accept. Okay, now we're in Kidblog. From here, to name your class, whatever you put here is going to be at the end of your URL. So it's going to go right here. So let's put our last name and the word math. If you want, you can put your maybe first initial and then last name and then math, and that's it. We can change it later. So no big deal if you decide on something else. Now we have a message on our dashboard here. It tells us congratulations, you're gonna publish posts, you're gonna customize your settings, add students. If you need help, we have a support system for you. I'll show you all of that. So we can just dismiss this message. And let's talk about what this is. On the dashboard, you have published posts or pending posts that needs approval, because you can approve what post the students put if you decide to let them post. How many drafts there are, how many comments, how many pending comments, and how many of those comments you've already approved. So this is to change the theme, how it looks. Let's see here, recent comments, recent posts. So that's what you see here. We're going to go to settings, which is at the top, and go through and change some of these things. The class title. Well, I teach Algebra 1 and only Algebra 1, so I'm just going to put Algebra 1. Some of you may teach more than one subject, so you can title it Math, you can title this one subject and then create another one and then call it Geometry or Algebra 2 or whatever you teach. And here is your URL. You can change that, okay? So if you don't like what you put earlier, you can change it to something else. Like, I decided that I wanted to be Pierce Math 4 for 4th period. And save changes, okay? Only because we're going to change something else on this under General, the General tab. And if you don't save the changes there, when we do the other, it'll default it back to what it was before. The class sign-up code. You can choose to use this if you'd like. It allows the students to sign up when they go to Kidblog at home using this code, or from another computer. I have chosen not to do that right now. The less passwords I have, the better. For now. Okay. We'll do the theme next. I'm going to skip that. But I do want to choose a class avatar. What I do is just put my picture there. I know we're at work or, on a campus, and so we can't go to Facebook. But normally what I do is go to Facebook and just grab a picture from my photos. And click on what I want, save the image, and as you can see, it's saved, so there it is. And then I go back to Kidblog and I choose that file. Upload image. And you can stretch it. Okay. And that's what I want. I'm done with that. Real simple. I don't change anything else under general. I save changes. So now when I go to my Kidblog, my website, this is the picture that's going to show. Okay, so let's go to themes because we're done with this screen. Now you get to choose what you want your site to look like. I have become very partial to the notebook paper, so I'm going to continue with it. But you can choose whichever one you'd like. Hit the activate link under it. When you see it here in the top left, you know you've activated it. It's going to be on your page. We're done with that. I don't use widgets at all. You can play around there if you'd like. I don't. Post. Who do you want to read your post? I'll allow anyone that visits my site to read. If you want to restrict it, you can choose to allow your students to view it only by giving them passwords and all of that, which I'll do in another video. But I'm going to keep this one pretty simple. So all visitors. And I'm going to go ahead and check this post approval, even though right now no one's posting but me. Because if I do change it, I don't want to forget, and then I have ugly posts there and I don't have to approve them because I didn't click this here. So I'm going to click that. And that's it. Save changes. Just that simple. Then go to comments, which is the next tab. From there, who do you want to leave posts? Okay, the only person I want to leave, who do you want to leave comments? Only one I want to leave comments is going to be me. I'm not allowing anybody else to leave comments right now because I'm restricting that. I'm using the Kidblog as a website to just view what I post. So, and although I'm not going to allow anyone else to leave comments or post or anything, I still want to click this here for approval so that when I change it, I don't forget that I didn't check it. So, save changes. And that's it. I don't do anything under the users tab. So from here, we go to class blogs here at the top by your name. And welcome to Kidblog. So you have received a generic message. So let's look at it and see how Kidblog views things or shows things. Welcome to kidblog.org. Okay, so this is a sample post, and then down here this is a sample comment, and that's what it will look like. So all blogs will show you each individual post with its title, how long it's been up, the author, and how many comments.